Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by saving work and closing Autocad so files aren't corrupted. Once done, note your Autocad version and current profile name because resetting wipes custom settings. Now, right-click the Autocad desktop or Start icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running Elevated ensures the reset rights required registry and file changes. If your version offers a Reset to Default in the app menu, select it now. This first step restores core defaults and prepares the app for a clean profile. You'll now perform the full reset. Inside Autocad, pick Reset Settings to Default if present. That automates registry and profile cleanup. If the menu option is missing, close Autocad and run the Autodesk Reset utility or manually rename/delete the user profile folder in %appdata%autodesk/autocad/version. Before deleting anything, make sure to export or copy your CUI, template, and printer/plotter files so you can restore them later. This step clears. After reset, launch Autocad and let it recreate default profiles and registry entries. Create a new named profile if prompted so you have a restore point. Once it's stable, selectively import your saved CUI and template files to avoid reintroducing corrupt settings. Make sure tool palettes and plotters behave normally. If problems persist, slow startup. Missing commands, run the Autocad repair from the installer or restore the backed up profile. This troubleshooting tip resolves residual file or permission issues that a simple reset might not fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.